barcode PDA, rugged tablets, and radio frequency identification solutions. Headquartered in Shenzhen, the company has 2 research and development and manufacturing bases in Shenzhen and Dongguan, with a total factory area of 6,500 square meters. It consists of 6 core departments covering research and development, production, quality control, sales, and after-sales support. Our core research and development team includes experienced engineers from companies like Huawei, Tencent, Longcheer Group, and double first-class universities. They possess strong expertise in product development, customization, and over 20 years of radio frequency experience, demonstrating high innovation capability. Following a customer-oriented approach, we provide OEM and ODM services, supporting customization in appearance, internal structure, functional modules, system integration, software, and packaging. We have successfully developed many products based on specific customer project needs. The company has established branches in Beijing, Xi'an, Wuhan, Shanghai, Chengdu, Hangzhou, and other cities, strengthening our domestic presence. We have also expanded into overseas markets including Europe, North America, South America, Southeast Asia, and Africa. Our products are widely used in logistics, healthcare, electricity, finance, public security, education, taxation, transportation, and retail, with plans to reach more sectors. We hold multiple certifications such as 3C, CE, FCC, and ROSE, and provide full product support.